working on another repair. You can see here from her picture here. This rug came in and was separated. And right now, she's going to do an invisible stitch and she's going to put it back together. And we're going to save this customer some money and save the rug. Oriental Rug Care, give us a call. We are really serious about refringing, reweaving. You see we got tons of wool, carpets. We got a very busy shop. We have full-time weavers on staff. We love washing, repairing, and doing restoration. Call Oriental Rug Care today.